Welcome back to Phone Transformer. In today's video, we're going to show you exactly how to delete sent text messages on Android using simple steps you can follow right away. Now let's get started. Step 1. First, grab your phone and open the Messages app. You can find it on your home screen or inside the apps drawer. Step 2. From the menu, here you can see all your text conversations. Find the contact or person whose sent message you want to delete and tap on the conversation to open it. Step 3. Once inside the conversation, look for the specific sent message that you want to delete. Now, tap and hold that message until it's selected, and you'll see a few options pop up at the top of your screen. Step 4. After that, locate the trash or delete icon at the top of the screen and tap on it. A confirmation prompt may appear, so go ahead and confirm the deletion. And just like that, the sent message is gone. Step 5. Alternatively, if you're trying to delete a sent message from a social media app like WhatsApp, the process is a little different. First, open the WhatsApp app and go to the conversation where the message you want to delete was sent. Step 6. Now, find that message, tap and hold it, and you'll see some options show up. Tap on the delete icon at the top, and if prompted, confirm the action. If you delete it within the time limit, you may even see a delete for everyone option. Just tap that and the message will be removed from both sides. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.